Kaya sa lahat ng mga sakramento, ano ang sinasabi diyan? There are two important things. And what are those? Matter and form. When you say matter, ano yung matter? The thing that we use in the sacrament. For baptism, the matter is what? Water. For confirmation, the matter is what? The oil. For marriage, ano yung matter? Hindi po yung ring, hindi yung array, hindi yung cord. Ano ang matter doon sa marriage? Yung love. Love is the matter in marriage. Pero what do we mean by form? Form is the prayer. For baptism, the matter is water. The form is, I baptize you in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Same thing with the Eucharist. It should always be the unleavened bread, the host, and the grape wine. You cannot substitute those two things with other things or other food. No? And then the form is what? The consecratory prayer. No? So hindi binabago ng pari yung panalangin na yun. No?